All right, these are going to be the elevators here at the Signature Square building in Beachwood, Ohio. And look at what we got here. We got some Dover traditional VRs to ride. Let's go to 3.
Oh wow, these are actually pretty neat.
Listen. Now this is cool. G. Very rare fixtures.
Definitely vandal resistant.
To view the cab, there's Alex.
Hello. Playing with my hair.
Definitely an 80s installation.
It's fun.
These have the bird chirp. And here we are in G. Watch G go out.
One more time.
Yep. All right, let's listen.
What did Clay say this building was?
This is Signature Square. All right, I'm gonna go down to G. I kind of want to get the other one to listen to the motor on it. What do you think of these?
Fun.
I like these a lot too. I've only been on one other one with these fixtures, and it was in Seattle. We'll get a close-up view of these, as
Nice
it's
job.
not typical you see a Dover traditional VR.
Here you go.
Oh look, it says the manufacturer is Westinghouse. Bull crap, it's
That's
not.
Wrong.
Yeah, it has an incredible motor. We got this one. Let's go to 3. We'll listen to the motor on this one.
About the same.
Indicator's totally burned out on this one. And we're gonna go back down to 1.
Now this is.
And here we are. Look at that. Very nice. And well, there it goes. And that will be it.